Manipur government has informed the United Naga Council UNC that intensive efforts are underway to trace 6 missing persons and address related security concerns. In a letter issued by the Home Department on May 31st, Commissioner cum Secretary Home N. Ashok Kumar stated that security forces are conducting sustained cordon and search operations, combing missions and intelligence-based action to locate missing individuals, while the case has been transferred to the National Investigation Agency for thorough investigation. The government also said strict reinforcement of suspension of operation ground rules and rationalization of designated camps are being pursued in coordination with the center, assuring that all those involved in abduction of civilians will be dealt with according to law. The government reiterated its commitment to protecting citizens and maintaining peace, while requesting facilitation of safe release of missing persons and opening of any public blockades in larger public interest.